Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the Xiaomi 15 Pro leak reveals design and key specifications ahead of the official launch. As Xiaomi gears up for the anticipated launch of its next-generation flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 15 Pro leaks have surfaced revealing key specifications and design details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. While the official launch date has not yet been confirmed, media reports suggest that the Xiaomi 15 series will debut in China on October 20th, just ahead of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset's official release, which is expected on October 22nd. If the leaks hold true, the Xiaomi 15 Pro could be one of the first smartphones in the world to feature Qualcomm's newest flagship chipset. According to reports, the Xiaomi 15 Pro will feature a triple-camera setup housed in a square module, maintaining a design similar to its predecessor, the Xiaomi 14 Pro. One of the technological advancements worth mentioning is the addition of the laser autofocus (F) feature in the camera system. Xiaomi 15 Pro probably is going to feature glass on the front and the rear glass body with flat metal edges in between for high-end appeal. There are reports that the color of the device will come in 3 colors only, which are black, white and silver. Leaked reports indicate that the Xiaomi 15 Pro will sport a 6.78-inch quad-curved AMOLED display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth, high-resolution viewing experience. Foremost, the phone is speculated to get a power boost by the chipmaker, Qualcomm, with their brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 flagship processor. In terms of memory and storage, the phone should have around 16GB of RAM and have up to 1TB internal memory, which will be quite effective for data storage. For photography enthusiasts, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is expected to deliver with its 50MP Light Fusion 900 series primary camera, featuring an f1.4 aperture for better low-light performance. This will be paired with a 50MP ultra-wide lens and a new 50MP Sony IMX858 5x telephoto camera, offering versatility for different types of shots. On the front, the phone is rumored to have a 32MP selfie camera present in the Xiaomi 14 series. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is expected to house a 6000 mAh battery, providing ample power for all-day usage. The device will likely support 90 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging, ensuring users can charge their devices quickly and even power other compatible gadgets. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.